how to size the side branch balloons for kissing balloon inflation. What I do is I usually use the same size as that of the side branch for the side branch balloon. So if it is 2.5 millimeter vessel, I use the 2.5 millimeter balloon. For the main branch, I decrease it by 0.5 millimeter. So if it is a 3O vessel, I use a 2.5 millimeter balloon. There are other laws. There's a Finet law which explains that the main branch square plus side branch square diameters of these both is equal to the proximal main branch, I should say distal, square diameter. Another easy way is that if main branch plus side branch are added, they are 2/3 of proximal main branch size. Easy way to remember is if you have a 2O plus 2.5, it's good for 3O proximal vessel. If you have a 2.5 plus 3O balloon, it's good for 4O proximal vessel. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe by clicking below. If you have a different strategy for balloon selection, please post your valuable comments for discussion. Thank you.